Hey, 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 what are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start off with some of these cards and see what we get. You can waste your lives drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. Shonda Rhimes. I deserve the best, and I accept the best now. I am mentally and emotionally equipped to enjoy a prosperous and loving life. It is my birthright to deserve all good. I claim my good. The age of light. You've been training for this for lifetimes. I will hold my head high. Here for you. You've come a long way but haven't found someone yet. One day your mate will come and accept all of you, saying, the road ahead is long, but I'm here with you. Don't hang your head, for tomorrow brings hope. Despite all the goodbyes in this world, we'll meet at the right time. I believe it's because we become better. Black Dragon from Saturn brings you wisdom through spiritual discipline. Concentrate, focus on your ultimate vision. Congratulate yourself, you have passed a test. What have you been being tested on lately? Comparing yourself to others keeps you stuck in a cycle of guilt and shame and continues to separate you from your blessings. It keeps you small. Understand that everyone has their own journey, which always unfolds in divine timing. Your time will come. And the other one that flew out. A chapter in your life is coming to an end. Rest assured that beautiful things are ahead in this next chapter. Let go of all things that are out of control and move forward. There are more beautiful things ahead than any you leave behind. That's a good reminder. Fortified foundation. Lay a steadfast foundation for growth and forward movement. Enlighten embroidery. Seek knowledge and understanding on the path to enlightenment. On the mend, be compassionate and kind to yourself as you heal your heart. Getting better. Growth is a journey, not a destination. Welcome improvements one step at a time. And our last card for today before we go to our little box. Inner balance. What you resist persists. What you accept transforms. Wholeness and duality. Alrighty, let's check in here today. Lilt wander, a noun, a gentle soul who drifts through life with a song in their heart, finding magic in small moments and poetry in the everyday. Perspective 179. Today, assume you know nothing. Listen twice before speaking once. If you're too proud to learn, you're too proud to improve. Perspective number 60. Needs become thoughts. Thoughts become behavior. Behavior becomes habit. Habit becomes identity. You become what you repeatedly do. Remember, allow people to be truly who they are and let them show up in the way they naturally do. And then decide if that is enough for you. Perspective 80. Don't be well liked, be necessary. And the last one today, perspective number 48. Confidence stems from what you say and what you do, aligning. No more lies, no more avoidance or excuses. It's your time now. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.